से हम शुरू करेंगे सूरह में मारियम। ये है चैप्टर 19। मारियम मतलब मेरी की कहानी। 19.1 कफ हा या एन साद। 2. This is a reminder from your Lord's mercy to his servant Zachariah. 3. When he cried out to his Lord privately. 4. Saying, My Lord, surely my bones have become brittle, and grey hair has spread across my head. But I have never been disappointed in my prayer to you, my Lord. 5. And I am concerned about the faith of my relatives after me, since my wife is barren. So grant me by your grace and her. 6. Who will inherit prophethood from me and the family of Jacob, and make him, O Lord, pleasing to you. 7. The angels announced, O Zachariah, indeed, we give you the good news of the birth of a son, whose name will be John, a name we have not given to anyone before. 8. He wondered, My Lord, how can I have a son when my wife is barren and I have become extremely old? 9. An angel replied, So will it be? Your Lord says, It is easy for me, just as I created you before when you were nothing. 10. Zachariah said, My Lord, grant me a sign. He responded, Your sign is that you will not be able to speak to people for 3 nights, despite being healthy. 11. So he came out of his people from the sanctuary, signaling to them to glorify Allah morning and evening. 12. It was later said, O John, hold firmly to the scriptures, and we granted him wisdom while he was still a child. 13. As well as purify and compassion from us, and he was God-fearing. 14. And kind to his parents, he was neither arrogant nor disobedient. 15. Peace be upon him the day he was born, and the day for his death, and the day he will be raised back to life. 16. And mention in the book of Prophet the story of Mary when she withdrew from her family to a place in the east. 17. Screening herself off from them. Then we sent her our angel Gabriel, appearing before her as a man perfectly formed. She appealed, I truly seek refuge in the most compassionate from you. So leave me alone if you are God-fearing. 19. He responded, I am only a messenger from your Lord, sent to bless you with a pure son. 20. She wondered, How can I have a son when no man has ever touched me, nor I am unchaste? 21. He replied, So will it be? Your Lord says, It is easy for me, and so will we make him a sign for humanity and mercy from us. It is a matter already decreed. 22. So she conceived him and withdrew with him to a remote place. 23. Then the pains of labor drove her to the trunk of a palm tree. She cried, "Alas, I wish I had died before this, and was a thing long forgotten." 24. So a voice reassured her from below her, "Do not grieve, your Lord has provided a stream at your feet." 5. And shake the trunk of this palm tree towards you. It will drop fresh, ripe dates upon you.